Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi Q3 Sportback S-line 35 TFSI with the 6-speed manual gearbox. This particular model comes in the stunning Mythos black metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. This being the S-line, you get multiple elements of matte grey and chrome styling, including angular side skirts, front and rear bumper design elements, chrome window surrounds and badging. From the 1.5 litre petrol engine, you also receive 147 brake horsepower and 250 Nm of torque. On the front we have these fabulous LED headlights with daytime running lights, offering you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, these 19-inch 5 twin-spoke dynamic design alloy wheels finished in silver, offering a lovely contrast to that black metallic paintwork and tying in really nicely with the S-line styling package. The electrically operated tailgate can be opened using the button on the boot lid itself or on the key fob to reveal multiple elements of rear boot space for your everyday essentials, weekend away luggage and weekly family shop. The boot floor can be also lifted up and down for more storage. The interior is finished in part leather and part cloth for maximum luxury and comfort, with centre armrests and dual cup holders and rear air vents adding extra comfort for the rear passengers. Both outer seats are fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the S-line leather multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, as well as the central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with the S badge embossed in at the top, and they are manually adjustable, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit is configurable to your wants and needs using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel. On the right is your volume and voice controls and mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply navigation. Under the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle with multiple options available to you. Also, you get the front and rear parking sensors and rear view camera to make parking even the tight supermarket car parks all the easier. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 level heat to them, which is perfect for those colder winter mornings. Thank you for watching this short video on the approved used Audi Q3 Sportback S-line, which is available at Stafford Audi. If you have any other questions or queries, do not hesitate to get in contact with our sales team or simply come and take a look for yourself.